Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the high-stakes environment of a shipboard engine room, the emergency quick-closing valve system stands as the final line of defense against catastrophic fires and engine room flooding. These valves are strategically installed on fuel oil, lube oil, and hydraulic oil tanks to allow for the instantaneous isolation of flammable liquids in the event of an emergency. The reliability of these valves depends entirely on the integrity of their actuators, which are designed to overcome the friction of the valve stem and the pressure of the fluid to slam the valve shut within seconds. Maintenance of quick-closing valve actuators begins with a comprehensive physical inspection of the remote release mechanism, whether it is pneumatic, hydraulic, or wire-operated. For pneumatic actuators, the most common point of failure is the degradation of the rubber seals and O-rings within the cylinder, which can lead to air leaks that prevent the actuator from generating sufficient force to trip the valve. Engineers must regularly check the air supply lines for moisture and corrosion, as water buildup in the pneumatic lines can freeze or cause internal rusting that jams the piston movement. The control cabinet, usually located in a fire-safe position outside the engine room, must be inspected for air pressure stability and the condition of the release pull handles. Hydraulic actuators require a similar level of scrutiny, focusing on the cleanliness of the hydraulic fluid and the absence of leaks at the manifold connections. A critical part of the maintenance routine is the functional testing of the local and remote release stations, which should be conducted during every port stay or according to the ship's safety management system. It is vital to ensure that the mechanical wire pull systems are properly lubricated and that the tension is adjusted to prevent sagging, which could delay the valve's response. Over time, the internal springs of the actuator can suffer from fatigue and should be tested to ensure they still provide the necessary closing torque. When testing these systems, it is essential to coordinate with the engine room team to prevent accidental shutoff of operating machinery, which could lead to a total blackout. Furthermore, the firewire or fusible links, which are designed to melt and trigger the valve automatically during a fire, must be inspected for paint over spray or physical damage that might impede their function. Cleaning the valve spindle and applying a light coating of heat-resistant grease prevents the packing from hardening and seizing the valve in the open position. Documentation of these tests in the oil record book and the safety maintenance log is not just a regulatory requirement, but a vital practice for demonstrating seaworthiness to port state control and class surveyors. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.